Normally when I start these walk-around videos, I start from the outside of the vehicle. Hello again, it's Vaughan Chrysler in the pre-owned department, but today we're shooting this Ford E-350 Econoline Cube a little bit different, and you'll see why in a minute. You can see steering wheel, center stack, dual cup holders. We'll look at it again in a minute, but there's your sliding steel frame plywood door. Overhead skylights for a little bit of lighting. This cube is in very good shape. As you can see, no real major damage or hits to the sides. Everything's intact. Floor has been, I believe, repainted. If not, it's in good shape. The reason why I started out back, though, is because here again, no frills, no power anything, wind-up windows, fairly comfortable seats with a little bit of adjustability. There's your shift lever, and this unit has 114,169 kilometers on it. Basic radio, AM, FM. Has cooling and warming. Has a fan speed. And there's a jack. And like I said, cup holders, like I said, extremely no frills. But then again, none of these are really loaded with anything. They are work trucks through and through. The main reason why I started from the inside is because for this E450 Super Duty, it's kind of blocked in. So I can't really pull it out, but I figured while I'm taking some photos of it, you can see that the Unicell body at the back is in great shape. It's got the chrome grille, which is nice. This is the 6.8 liter V10 Triton engine from Ford that produces 360 horse and about 460 pound-foot of torque. Giant engine. Like I said, it's in good condition. Not much else really to say about it. If you're looking for a cube van, a workhorse, with reasonable kilometers on it and in excellent shape, this one can't be beat. It's available today at Vaughan Chrysler. Thanks for watching this.